everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing. And to you, all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. You're highly welcome to this amazing family. And to you, all my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, today we'll be making yam porridge. I'll be showing you a very easy and simple way of making your own delicious yam porridge. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let me introduce the ingredients I use to make this delicious and yummy yam porridge you're seeing here. So guys, let's get started. So guys, these are the things I'll be using to prepare this yam porridge. I'm using mackerel fish here, smoked mackerel fish. I have my yam here. I will still be cutting this yam into cubes. I won't be cooking it like this. I have my pepper mix. Here is red and yellow scotch bonnet pepper. I have my pomo here. I have my onions here. For my leaf, I'm using pumpkin leaf. You can use lizard leaf, you can use scent leaf, you can use any leaf of your choice, okay? Any vegetable of your choice. I'm using just pumpkin leaf. I have my crayfish. I have my red oil, my seasonings, and my salt. So guys, I will start now by cutting this yam into cubes, okay? I left it inside the water so that it doesn't change color. So guys, this is the size I'll be going for. I'm done cutting the yam. This is the size I'll be going for. So right now we'll start making our yam, and to that I'm just going to be adding in my yam inside my pot. I'll go in with my yam now, and then I'll be adding in water, enough water for the yam and the porridge. Then I'll be adding in my pomo now. I'll go in with my pepper. I'll add in my onions. I'll be going in with my mackerel fish. I'll add in my crayfish. I'm just going in with all my ingredients at once. I'll add in my crayfish. I'll go in with seasoning cubes. Please make sure that your hands are neat, okay? Always wash your hands whenever you are cooking in the kitchen. Always wash your hands. Maintain a very good hygiene. I'll go in with salt now, and then I will add in my palm oil. I'm just going to mix this very well until everything is properly mixed, okay? I'll just mix it very well until everything marries each other very well. I will cover this pot now, and then I'll allow the yam to cook, okay? For us to check on our yam, I'm going to insert a fork on the yam, and once it passes through the yam, you know that your yam is ready. And now I'm just going to mash it like so. I'm going to mash the yam now, depending on how thick you want your porridge, okay? I'm just going to mash it like so. And then I'll give this a good stir, and I'll cover the pot, allow to cook for like extra 10 minutes. Please, if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, okay? And please like my video and leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section, okay? I will cover this pot now, allow it to cook for extra 10 minutes, and then we'll come back. So guys, this is what our yam is looking like now. I will go in with my vegetable. Once you add in your vegetable, please turn off your heat, okay? Don't cook it further. If not, you are going to overcook your vegetable, and you don't want that. I'm just going to stir this now, and then I will turn off my heat. And guys, our yam porridge is ready. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Hope you be trying out this recipe. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share and comment, okay? Thank you for watching guys, and until I come your way next time, stay safe, bye.